Hey Coastal Community Church and Pastor TJ, it's Jeff Kapusta here in Life Point Church in Wilmington, North Carolina. I just want to let you know that I'm grateful for the prayers, the support, and the encouragement that you've offered to our church family during this difficult time. Well, as you know, Thursday, September 13th, Hurricane Florence began to wreak havoc all around the Wilmington community. Rain began on Thursday and did not leave until midday on Monday, and the effects of that have just wreaked havoc all across our community. From flooding to isolation, the media outlets are reporting that Wilmington is like an island with no roads to get resources in. Well, I want you to know that because of your church and your generosity and your supplies, we've been able to meet the demands of our community. All around our campus, we've been able to partner with organizations and churches like Mercy Chefs to provide meals and resources to our neighbors and our friends. I want you to know how thankful I am for your partnership. Because of you, through Mercy Chef, we're able to provide 2,000 meals a day to first responders, volunteers, and neighbors that have been affected by this hurricane. I just want you to know that if it wasn't for the church being the church, we wouldn't be able to bring the hope of Jesus in this community the way that we are. I want you to know we're thankful for you guys and the impact that you're making and allowing us to restore and rebuild Wilmington and the surrounding areas in Jesus' name. Thank you so much, and God bless.